Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix EarTrumpet if it's not working on your Windows computer in 2026. We'll go through several simple solutions that can resolve the problem. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and search for EarTrumpet. Open the application and check if it's working properly. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next step. Next, click the Show Hidden Icons arrow in the system tray near the clock and check if EarTrumpet is already running in the background. If you find it there, click the icon to open it. If the app is still not working, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Look for EarTrumpet in the list of running processes. If you find it, right-click it, select End Task, and then launch the application again. Now, open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find EarTrumpet, open Advanced Options, and click Repair. Wait until the repair process is complete, then test the application again. If the problem continues, return to the same page and click Reset. This restores the app to its default settings and can fix many common issues. Next, open the Microsoft Store, search for EarTrumpet, and install any available updates. Running the latest version helps resolve compatibility problems and software bugs. After that, open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. If EarTrumpet is still not working, uninstall the application from Installed Apps, restart your computer, and reinstall EarTrumpet from the Microsoft Store. Once the installation is complete, launch EarTrumpet again and verify that it opens correctly and functions as expected. That's how to fix EarTrumpet when it's not working in 2026. These steps resolve most common problems and help restore the application to normal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.